Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to add social media icons to your Wix.com website. So to start with, you need to be on the website editor. So if you're on the dashboard, simply go up here and click Design Site and you'll be taken to the website editor like this. So to actually add your social media icons, you need to go over here and click on the little plus to add elements on your website. And then you just go down here to social, and then you have a lot of different social bars here. So if you add a social bars, all of these bars will be placed like shown on your Wix website, but you can also remove them if you want. So let's take an example. Let's take that we want to add all of these here as they look quite aesthetic for the website and looks like they were suited. So if you just place it like this to your liking, then you have all of these. And now you just need to set your social links by clicking on this button that says set social links. So click here. And now if you have Instagram, you simply take your Instagram page link and paste it in here by clicking here and adding it. And then you can also choose if it's going to open a new window or in the current window. I would always suggest choosing the new window, as opening in the current window will take website visitors away from your page. So choose new window. From there, you can also delete sites. So if you don't have a LinkedIn, for example, you can just click on the little bin here and it's going to be taken away. Or if you don't have this LinkedIn, sorry, that was Twitter, the first one. And if you don't have TikTok. So if you have Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for your website or your business, you can just click done once you're ready and have added all the links down here. And as you can see, we have all the icons up here. And if you want to take it one step further and you want it to be underneath each other, simply click on this little layout button here and then click vertical. From here, you can also decide on the spacing here. So if you want it to be a bit more neat and closer, you can do this. You can make the icons smaller or larger like this. And then you can just drag it around on your website as you want it. So if I want it to be over here, for example, then you can place it here. And then simply to save this option, this doesn't look good, so let's put it here, sorry. To save this option, you can simply click save here, but if you want to publish it to your website so it's live on your website, click on the publish button. Save is only going to save the changes you made to the website internally, so to speak, and publish it will make it live on the website. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any other questions and I'll try and help you the best I can.